Alright guys, let's continue to the second part of this video, and we should be able to finish this site in this video. Alright, so let's get started. We just have a few stuff left. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do here is on our team section. Okay, we're gonna add 4 team members here. Alright, let's go ahead and add that. Take a quick look at how we have it here on the demo site. Have the social media here, and name, title, social media, and text. Alright, let's take a quick look at that. We're gonna find it under team section, and we have the title here. This is the title shows here, little text, and this is where we set our pages. Okay, so let's go ahead and set that up. Go ahead and create those 4 pages. So first one I'm gonna do it, first one we're gonna create, it's John. Let's create the page for John. Add new page, paste that there, click on John, get the text here, copy, paste, change that to full width, and we're gonna do 2 things here. We're gonna set up a on-page image, and we're also gonna set a featured image. So the first team member here is this one. Gonna go ahead and switch that to visual, and let's see how that looks. Okay, so as if you can see, the text is not aligning right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and align this to the left, so the the image is on the left and the text is on the right. So now it's formatted correctly. Okay, so then we're also gonna add the image here. This image is the image that shows here. It's the image that shows on this page, this one, and then the image that we added on the page is this one. Okay, so we're gonna add that there and publish it. Gonna add the second team member here. Okay, the second, Jenny Smith. Copy, add new page, paste that there, get the text from Jenny, copy, paste, change the layout. So now it's already in the visual site. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that image. It's this one. Gonna leave that as is. Actually gonna align that to the left. Select that, insert the image, and there we have our image. And then we're gonna set that up as the featured image as well, and publish it. Okay, and I'm gonna add the 3rd page, and let's see who is the 3rd one here. Mary Lee. I'm gonna add Mary Lee, copy the name, paste that there, and let's copy the text for Mary Lee. Paste that there, change the layout to full width, and let's bring the image. That is Mary Lee. It's already aligned to the left, so we're gonna leave it as is. Insert image, and we're gonna insert the featured image. Okay, publish that, and we're gonna add the 4th team member, this one. Okay, Christina Dio. Add new page, or add new, paste, click on this, copy the text, paste the text, change the layout, place your cursor here, and let's see here, which one is that one? I forget. Oh, it's this one. Christina, it's this one. Okay, we're gonna leave that as is. Set the featured image, publish it, and we have created our team member pages. Okay, so now we're gonna go to appearance, customize, and homepage sections, team section. Okay, so here we're gonna choose the one we're gonna choose. The first one is John Smith. That's the CEO. That's where you put the social media links. Okay, and then the second one would be Jenny Smith. Select the page for Jenny Smith, and her title is Managing Director. Okay, we're gonna copy the title here and replace that. Paste. If there are social media logins, URL, you would just place that there. Okay, if you don't, you can leave that blank. And then the third one, it's Mary Lee. Actually, copy this, and we're gonna go to Mary Lee. Mary Lee. Gonna change to replace that. Marketing head. Again, if you have the URL for the social media, you can put that there. If you don't, you can leave that blank. You don't have to put that there. Okay. Third one is, or the fourth one is Christina. By Christina, it's Christina right there. What is her title? Creative Director. Creative Director. Okay, copy that, change that there, paste it, and again, you can just, and if you don't have 4 team members, you can leave that blank by leaving select. So if you only have like 2 team members, it'll only show 2, so you don't even have to put this, or just 1. You can just leave the rest under select and only shows those 3. So in this case, let's see here. Oh, we chose the wrong image or wrong person here. I think that's supposed to be Mary Lee. Yeah, so there you go. So as you can see, there's only 3 members here if you only have 3 members. But in this case we have 4, so we're gonna leave that as 4. Let's see, Christina though. Okay, so that is it for this section. Next section here, it's facts, some numbers here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and scroll up, click on that, and we're gonna click on counter selection. Okay, our facts, you can change that. You can put text, some text here, and what we're gonna do here, we're gonna replace the image, and this is where we use the city of Los Angeles. Okay, so this is the one you're gonna use. That's the size for it. Okay, choose image. Okay, now the numbers are there. We're gonna leave the numbers as this. You guys can change that to the number you guys want to put there, but in this video we're just gonna leave it as this. What we're gonna change are the icons. I'm gonna show you guys how you change the icons. This one we're gonna use a folder with for completed projects. Okay, so go ahead and change the title, completed projects. completed project. I'm gonna change that to the folder icon that represents completed projects. Okay, that's the one. Click on this, and clients. The next one is clients. I'm gonna put clients, and clients, we're just gonna use this one, and the second one is followers, or the third one, followers. So you would put your number of followers on Twitter or Facebook or any other social media that you like to use, and you can find the icons here. Okay, so in this case we're gonna do Twitter. Twitter, it's right here, and this one I'm gonna leave it as a cup of coffee. Everybody drinks coffee, so you can put that there if you want. Alright, or you can put something else, but in this case we're gonna leave it at, like that. Once we do that, we save and publish it. Okay, alright, so next section here is who are our partner or associated with. Okay, that is very easy to do. That is a quick part here. So we're just gonna go ahead and client logos, click on that, and again you can change that or you can leave it as is. But if you're doing your own, putting your own content, of course you wanna rewrite that. Okay, so we're gonna add image gallery here. Let's give it a minute. Alright, so if that happens to you, this is taking a while. Let's try it again. So let's okay, so there's nothing there. We're gonna go ahead and click on add to gallery. I'm gonna go ahead and select all the logos. So we're gonna select this one, this one. These are all the logos here. And WordPress logo, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 logos. Okay, so I just select all, and then it says you click on add to gallery here. Gonna leave it as is and update gallery, and as you do that you'll see your gallery, your logos there. Alright, save and publish there. And next section here is testimonials. Okay, those are also pages, so let's go ahead and create those pages. Exit that, and let's see what is the first testimonial here. Okay, first one, it's actually this one, so it's Jimmy Cornish. Copy this, paste that there. I'm gonna copy the text here, just gonna copy it up to here, copy this text, paste that there, set that to full width, put the image there, set the image, publish. Next one is Anna. Copy the name, create a new page, paste the name, copy the text, paste the text, change the layout to full width, and add the image, set that image there, publish it, and we're gonna go after the third one, Melissa Sanchez. Okay, create a new page, and copy the text, change that to full width, and we're gonna insert the image. Okay, that's the image we're gonna need. And now we're gonna choose we're gonna set those up to show here. Okay, actually let's refresh that so it updates what we have currently. Alright, so this is what we're gonna set up right now. Alright, so let's go here, customize page, home sections, testimonial section. Okay, so here we're gonna get rid of the affordable. Gonna do Jimmy Cornish. Just click on that and it gives you the options. I believe it was Anna Ruiz and Melissa Sanchez. Alright, so those are the 3 testimonials. You can put more than 3 there. Just put 3 there for now. Okay, once you do that, you save and publish it. And next thing is the blog. The blog, it's already there. So this is the post that we created. This shows your latest blogs. So in this case, we added this post, so this is what it shows here. So this would show the latest ones. So if you were to add new ones, it would show it there. Okay, you have the options to choose how many you want to show. 2, 4, 6, 10. You can choose that. So you can choose if we want to add 2, we can do that. 4, I think 4 looks good. We can set that up. You can even choose the categories that you want to show there. So for now, we're just going to do it like that. But again, you can if you don't want this here, you can turn that off as well. You know that it's gone. Okay, but we're gonna leave that there. I think it looks good there. So I'm gonna leave that section there. Alright, so we're getting to the bottom of our home page. So here we're gonna go ahead and click on the contact section. You can change this title to something else, put some text there. What we're gonna change here is the image. I'm gonna put an image background here, which is gonna be this one. Okay, contact us, and that is it. Alright, so one thing it's missing here is the contact form. Okay, gonna get to that in a little bit. Before that, I just want to show you guys where you can add your text. So you can put your text here. Contact us, we would like to hear from you. No, actually, yeah. So this where you can put more than one line here, like how I have it here. There's more than one line. So let's copy that to make it look the same. So we're gonna go ahead and copy this. Copy this to paragraph, and we're gonna press enter on our keyboard, put 2 spaces there, and just press paste. You would put your address there. Gonna leave that as is. Let's change this to your website, right? Example.com. So you would put your website there. I don't think you need that there, honestly, because if people are already on your website, so there's no point of putting your URL there. So it doesn't really make sense there. So we're just gonna get rid of that. Social media, you would put your links here. In this case, I'm just gonna put pound there so the icons show. But if you have the URLs for this, you would put that there. Okay, so once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and save and publish that, and click on the exit right there. Alright, so this is the only plugin that we're gonna need for this tutorial. So we're gonna go ahead and click on installed plugins. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add a new one. Add new, and we're gonna search for contact form 7. Okay, contact form 7. Type that in, and we're gonna find this one. Click install now and activate. Okay, so once you activate it, you're gonna come here where it says settings. Click on that, and this is the contact. So there's one created for you already. So you can go ahead and just click on edit here. So this is the fields that you're gonna see. So you're gonna see the field for your name, your email, and your subject. and your message. This is the comment section. Okay, you guys can change this. So you can change this to something else, but we're gonna leave it as this. And this is where you set up your I mean, this is a basic form. You can leave it as is. This has everything that you need to for someone to contact you. So what you want to change here is, of course, your email. So you want to put your email there, and this is where you this is the email that you want the data to go to. Okay, you just change it. That's the only thing you change. Everything else you leave it as is. Okay, so once you're there, you're gonna go, we're gonna come here, click on this, that is selected for you. Right click, copy, you copy this code. Okay, and then we're gonna come here, come back here to appearance, customize, and we're gonna place this code right over here where it says contact form shortcode. Okay, go ahead and just paste that there, and that is it. Okay, so you just clicking any of the fields. If this don't come up, click on any of the fields so this comes up. Okay, save and publish. All right, let's see how our form looks like. Okay, there we go. This form, it's there. Okay, so if we test this form, it should work now. Okay, so let me see. So let's refresh. This is the website we're building. Go ahead and test that. I'll put my name there. Email, just put, in this case we're just gonna put a test at Yahoo. Subject test. This is a test. Okay, gonna submit that. It tells you has been sent successfully. Okay, go to your email and check that. I'm gonna come back to my email here, and there we have it. That is the email I just sent, came from this website. Okay, so that's how the form works. Okay, guys, that's very exciting. Okay, all right, so we're done with the home page. Nice. All right, so next thing we're gonna do now is we don't see the menu here. We don't see any links here yet. Okay, gonna go ahead and add those that menu. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and exit that, and we're gonna come here where it says customize and our appearance and menu. Okay, so we have our main menu. We created that earlier, but what we're gonna create add here, it's the pages, which we have to create the pages. The only pages that are gonna show here are the main pages, like this ones: home, team, about, blog, contact us. Okay, we haven't created those pages yet, so there's nothing there yet. So let's go ahead and create that, and then we're gonna add it to the menu. Okay, so we're gonna come back here and create, let's click on all pages, and create a new page. Okay, so next page we're gonna create here would be team. Okay, I'm gonna create team here. Oh, actually, yeah, sorry, we don't need to create this one here. We're gonna create that in the menu, so we don't need that. So let's go ahead and create the next page, is about us. Okay, so we're gonna change that to about us. Okay, and let's go ahead and click on the about us page and just copy the text there. Okay, I'm gonna copy this text, copy that, paste that there, so set that to full width, click, put your cursor there, add media, and the image that we're gonna use there is this one. Okay, we're gonna leave that aligned to the left, and we're gonna leave that as is. Okay, once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and publish it, and we just created our about us page. Okay, and if you guys want to add a link here, let's say you want to make this a link, you can always do that by just selecting the text you want to make it a link, and click on this where it says insert or edit link. And what you could do here, you just put your link there, and just to get a link, let's say within your website, you could just go ahead and click on this, copy this whole thing, copy that, and you place that there. Place it there, click on this, apply, and as you can see, this has become a link. Oh, that went away because I clicked it. But let's try it again. So let's go ahead and paste that and apply. Okay, you want to make sure you don't click on this because it removes it, so just click it away from it, and there you go, that's a link. So when it's underlined, it's a link. Okay, so that just show you guys how to do that. We're gonna remove this, we don't need that, but that's how you can add a link. Okay, so once you do that, we update the page, and we're gonna create the next page here, which is the blog page. Okay, blog page, come here, add new, and add the blog page. This one we don't add anything here, we're just gonna go ahead and select the layout, and we're gonna leave that as is. Okay, we don't do anything here, so we'll just create that page. I'm gonna leave that as is. We're gonna have to do the rest on this one. Okay, and then next thing is a contact us page. Okay, so since we're here, we're gonna go ahead and just copy this, copy that contact us, and create a new page, call that contact us. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and paste this here. That's it. And then gonna go ahead and publish it, but and then we're gonna have to do the form here, so we're gonna go ahead and get that code. So we're gonna come here, and it says contact forms. Gonna go ahead and click this, that selects this for us, right click it, copy, come back to pages, and gonna find that contact page, which is this one. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and press enter maybe 2 times, paste that code there. Want to make that full width as well, and update it. Okay, so we have all the pages created. Now we just gotta add it in the menu. Okay, so right now there's no menu, so we're gonna go ahead and add that right now. Okay, we already have the pages that we need to add there. So appearance, menu, and the first thing that we need here is we're gonna go ahead and select the ones that we add there. So we're gonna need to add contact us, blog, about, okay, so yeah, then gonna click on add to menu, and this is the menu. Okay, another thing that we're gonna add is we're gonna add the theme menu, and the reason we're not creating a page for that because it's not an actual page. You see, if you click on this, it doesn't go anywhere. See, this is just so it's up here, and you know, these are the actual pages. This is not an actual page, so that's why it's not going anywhere. We just put that there, so there's a drop down for each. There's a drop down with the member's name, so we don't want to put this in each tab. It's just not gonna look good. So what we do, we just put that there, and then put this underneath that. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's see how we did that. So you're gonna go ahead and click on custom links, and here you're just gonna put the pound sign, and then the label, you're gonna put that, this is where you put the name of your tab. Okay, so we're gonna put theme there, add that to the menu, and what we're gonna do here, we're gonna come back to link all pages, and then we're gonna find all the team members. So Christina, Mary Lee, Jenny, John Smith, all the ones with the capital letters. Okay, add that to the menu, and what we're gonna do, so this becomes a sub menu, we're just gonna drag this to the right. Okay, we're gonna drag this to the right a little bit. You see that, you let it go, and same thing with this one, you just drag it, you see this one. So when you see that little marquee around that, you know, the little lines, broken lines. So you see that, you let it go when you see that. Okay, so you're just gonna drag it to the right a little bit. You see the broken lines, let it go, and it snaps in place. Okay, so now when we do this, this becomes sub menus. This is the main menu and this is the sub menus. Okay, these are the drop downs. Once we do it, I'm gonna go ahead and save menu, and let's see how that looks. Okay, we should be able to see our, there we go. Alright, so now we just have to organize it. Okay, I think the way we have it here, we have home, team, about, blog, and contact us. Okay, there's one thing that we're missing here, is the home page. Okay, so the home page, we're gonna create that as well. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and create the home page here. Home, and we're gonna do just a pound there. Okay, oops, yeah, I did that wrong. Actually, this is gonna do pound here and then call this home. Okay, so we're gonna organize this. So home is gonna be on the top, and then I think we did team next. Yeah, team, about us, and blog. Team, about us, blog, and contact us. Okay, so once we save that, we should be able to see this. Oops, that's the wrong one. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the link on the home. Right now it's not going anywhere, so we're gonna have to put the home link. So we're gonna go ahead and copy this, and we're gonna come back here, and where it says custom, we're gonna go ahead and paste that there. Okay, so you want to put that there, so when you click on the home, it goes to the home page. Okay, so let's refresh that and make sure that works. So let's say we're in blog and we want to come back to home. There you go, it takes us right there. Okay, click on home, brings us right here. Okay, so now it's working. We have our menu, we have everything we need. One thing that we're gonna fix here is this, especially in the blog section. So we don't have the posts here yet, so we gotta add that. So that's the next step we're gonna do. All the posts that we have added on the home page should show under blog, because those are the posts. Like this should show there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and set that up. Gonna come here, customize, and we're gonna go where it says general settings. It says static home page, static front page. Gonna select that, and here, oh, okay, I see, I'm missing a home page actually. Alright, yeah, okay, so that's why. Okay, so right here we don't have a home page yet. We gotta create that page. You just gotta create that. It's gonna be very simple. Okay, so we're gonna select that. So post page is gonna be the blog page. Okay, we're gonna save that and then come back here because we need to create the home page. That's why it wasn't showing here, so we gotta fix that. I'll show you guys how to fix that. Okay, so we're gonna come here, add new, and we're gonna create home. Okay, we'll just call it home. We're not gonna put anything there. Gonna set that to full width, and this is very important, guys. We set this to home page. Okay, I'm gonna publish that one. And then here we're gonna come back to the menu. Oops, I clicked on the wrong one. Click on menu here, and as you can see, there is a home now. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of this one and add the new one that I just created. Okay, bring that to the top, and then here gonna come back to customize, You want to set that to static page and put the front page as the home page. So when people come to your website, that's the first page they see. Okay, so you save that and exit it. Okay, so I want to show you something here. We're almost done, guys. That's pretty much it, but there's another thing that I want to show you guys. So when you come to blog, uh, let's say you click on this one. This URL, it's not friendly. See, you see the date here and all that stuff, that's not very good. You want to have a direct link. So the way to fix that, we're gonna go ahead and come here and click on permalinks, and we don't want this URL structure. We want this one. See, this one, it's clean, shorter and clean, direct link. So we're gonna go ahead and change that to post name, save changes, and let's click on the logo here, and let's take a look at it now and see how it looks. So let's say, there you go. See, this is a direct link now. So it's just your domain slash the name of your post. Okay, so there's another thing that I want to show you guys is where to change your password. Okay, so today I showed you my password, but I'm gonna go ahead and reset that once I'm done with this video, and I'll show you guys how you could do that. You can change your password. You can actually create multiple users for that. So you go ahead and on users, and this is where you can change your password. So you click on edit, and here it says generate password. So you click on that, it gives you a new password. Copy that, save that somewhere else, and then you update the profile. Okay, so you could do that, and you can create new multiple users. So if you want to have someone else manage your website, you can create a new user account for that person, so you don't give them your personal logins. So you would go here where it says add new, you put that person's info here, username, email, first, last name. These are the only two that are required. The other stuff are not. And the role, you can even change the role for each user. So you're an administrator, can change that to any of this, and it's just gonna limit some of the stuff that they can't do. As an administrator, you can do everything. As a editor, you can only edit posts, pages, and stuff like that. You don't have access to all the other stuff. So that's good to know if you wanna have someone else manage your website. Okay, one more last thing that I want to show you guys before I go is deactivating the one of the plugins. You guys need to deactivate this Mojo Marketplace plugin. If you don't, you're gonna see your website like this. It's gonna show you this landing page that HostGator puts there for you. So if you don't activate that plugin, that's what you see. But go ahead and if when your site is ready, it's ready to be live to launch, you can just go ahead and deactivate this. When you're logged into your WordPress website, you're gonna see this one. You're gonna see the website, but when you're logged out, you're gonna see this landing page. Okay, so you want to make sure you once your website is ready, you want to deactivate that plugin. So once you deactivate that plugin, gonna refresh this page, and now you see your website. Okay, so you want to make sure you deactivate that once you're done with building the website, and your site can go live on the web. Okay, guys. All right, so that's the last thing I wanted to tell you guys. Guys, this is the complete tutorial, the complete website. Look at this. Congratulations, guys. You have completed this very nice, professional looking website. Look at this, guys. Clean, slick, professional, very easy to navigate, very easy to use. Everything is matching, colors. Look at that. This is a parallax website. It moves when you scroll down. It catches attention and looks very exciting to visitors. It's not boring. It's very exciting. Look at that. Nice images. um, so this is it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please comment below if you have any questions, any suggestions. If you guys like this video, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much, guys. I hope this helps you. I hope this made you start your first website or maybe improve your website. Okay, so thank you again, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this is helpful for you guys. I hope this helps you learn how to build a website, maybe uh, learn more about how to use WordPress themes, plugins. As you guys can see, this theme is very easy to customize. We don't have to do a lot of stuff. All we had to do is just create posts and pages. It's just a matter of creating them, and then we just added them. Some other themes, they're very hard to customize. They're not all the same. This specific theme is very easy. That's why I use it. That's why I showed you guys how to do it, because it's very simple. Uh, in some other themes, you gotta install plugins, child themes, import, export. You gotta do all that stuff. It's a hassle, you know. This one, that's it. Install, buy your domain, your hosting, install WordPress, install your theme, and customize it. That's it, guys. 5 simple steps. Okay, guys, this is it. Thank you so much again, and see you guys next time.